So, moving further about backpropagation algorithm, let's just discuss about its more characteristics and about its functioning. What we have that backpropagation is the standard method for training artificial neural networks. It is a method of repeatedly adjusting the weights of the connections in the network. Right? Every time we are focusing on this, that how we have to adjust the weights. Right, we are focusing on this thing so as to minimize the difference between the actual output value and the desired output value. The difference we have to minimize because that difference is actually the errors and that we have to minimize, or we can say the difference we have to minimize, right? What else we have about backpropagation? It says that the method or the algorithm looks for a minimum value of error function in weight space using either a delta rule or a gradient descent. We can use any of the rules, but the motto is we have to reduce the error. Right. Now, what are the steps in backpropagation network? So, regarding the steps, what we have with us is this, that uh, X are the inputs arrived through the reconnected path that we have already discussed from the previous slide. Inputs are modeled using randomly assigned weight, that is W. Calculate the output for each neuron from the input neuron to the hidden layers to the output layer. That we have to calculate, right? Every time we have to calculate that. And how we have to calculate the error? To calculate the error at right at the other layer, like the hidden layer or the output layer, out actual output minus the desired, whatever was the desired one which was already given to us, and what the actual output. Just take the difference and we got the error from it. What next? Travel back from the output layer to the hidden layer. This is the output layer and these are the hidden layer. We have to just go back, right? To adjust the weights such that the error is decreased, right? We have to adjust the weights simply so that we can decrease the error. This is our aim. That how we are going to reduce the error. Right? So what next? Repeat the process until the desired output is achieved. We have to keep on repeating the process. We have to keep on adjusting the weights and that we have to do, right? So looking into the diagram of the backpropagation network, input layer, and these are the hidden layers, it's the output layer, this is the backpropagation layer. This is the difference in the desired values. If it is, we have to find out. Now, what are the advantages? Now, talking about the advantages, what advantages we have? It is a fast, simple, and easy to program. So easily, हम इसको program कर सकते हैं. It's very fast, very easy to understand also. It's a flexible method as it does not require prior knowledge about the network. We don't need to know more about the network and all. It's just a very easy to understand the concept. It is mainly useful for a deep neural network working on an error-prone project such as the image or a speech recognition. In these problems, real-life problems, which are related to image or speech recognition, we go for a backpropagation network, or we can say feed-forward network, right? So this is what we have in the backpropagation.